Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Seerat and today we are going to Capital Mall. It's a big mall but my mother likes a small mall. On the way we saw greenery and it was no traffic, so we were going there quick. It took us some time. Me and my siblings were having fun at the back. We saw so many houses, so much sand, and in the meantime we all sang a lullaby. And now that we're here at Capital Mall, we were just gonna park our car and go in. Then my mom asked me, "Do you have this list, Seerat?" I have been working on it for 2 whole days. And then when I checked my bag, I saw the list wasn't there. Then I thought I memorized it, but we bought the things we shouldn't be buying. Because me and my mom forgot the things. We saw so much henna stencils, but we didn't need them because we already have a henna artist. Her name is Gia. We call her that, but her name is Khatija. We call her Gia. Moving on. It was written a discount for Eid Shopping. We bought a lot of things, like for the kitchen, Mr. Muscle. We bought, and my mother was showing everything we're buying. Like this is Mr. Muscle, and we bought it. In the meantime, I'm looking for a cool fabric mask on that aisle. There were other cleaning tools too. My mom was looking at them, and they were for like 10, 20, 30, 40. And there was a broom, everything my mother needed. But we didn't buy the things we didn't need. There were so many things that we didn't add in the list, but we bought it. Like this one, we have it in the washroom. And this is sugar. We were doing grocery shopping. Then, after grocery shopping, we will be doing, like I was taking the chaat masala. So after grocery shopping, we will go for Eid Shopping. This was Eid grocery shopping. Then we will go to Eid dress shopping with other things. My mother bought some snacks, a Kit Kat. We bought a lot of things. Like this one, my mom bought. We bought like a lot, but except fish, of course not. We don't like fish, but moving on, this is the meat area. Then we'll go to vegetables, fruits, and other things. So now that we are done doing like half of our trolley, we are going somewhere. Oh yeah, we are buying juices, then yogurts and other things, while buying hushbats like, "I want this juice." We bought strawberries and many more. My mother just loves dates, so we bought dates. And my mother saw these things and she's like, "Oh my, these are my favorite vegetable." And she bought them, these ones. Bananas and these fruits and vegetables. They're just so good. We bought some corns. We bought some capsicum, chili. This one, I don't know the name of that. But moving on. Then, now I'm saying that after this, we will go grocery shopping. Not grocery shopping. Eid shopping. We bought eggs. Now we're just waiting. Now me and Hushbat were going for Eid dress shopping. We saw flowers, and I love this cute small little knitting thing, but you can't use it. Hushbat was wearing the mask we just bought. It has a mustache on it. Hushbat was making pose, my mom made videos, and I came too after some time. But I didn't know what to make a pose, so I just made one pose of mine, and then I made Hushbat follow it. She couldn't wear her mask, so I helped her. I just masked her face. And then best sisters ever. Then me and Hushba were thinking what pose next. And then me and Hushba made this pose. My dad was just coming from the bathroom. So me and Hushba just made pose next to that. We were in front of the elevator. So then my mother said, come on guys, let's make a slow-mo video. Then we ran and made a slow motion video. Then we ate some